What?
Something went wrong.
Wala pa tayong internet.
Bakit?
Ikaw nga mag-connect kaya. Wala, mahina signal.
I think something went wrong.
Eh, nakapatay yan, malamang.
Something went wrong.
Hindi, ito kinukonek ko eh.
It's
Yeah, the signal is very weak.
yeah. What does something went wrong means?
Something went wrong means it cannot be connected from my phone because the signal is very weak.
Yeah. About the blue, the robots. The blue.
The blue one.
Yeah, of the Google. The Google.
Wait lang. Daming sakyan. Nako, traffic. Hindi, lalo tayong magtatagal din.
Mommy, what is something went wrong?
Ayan na. Sabo.
Hindi masisimat ganito. Ito, ma'am.
I like something. Because it's this place.
Naulan ba?
No.
Medyo. Nagbabadya. Ayan, oh.
Daddy,
Oh.
why the woman take look the
Ano yun? Tagalog, oh.
Daddy, why the woman take look in the
Why the woman is looking at the microscope? What is that? A telescope?
yeah. Oh no.
Wait lang. Oh, it's raining hard.
Playing tacos. Banana.
Lakas ng ulan. Lakas?
Yeah.
Uy, ba't ba pinuhay mo pa?
Ako yung mukha niya dito. Maya ako na lang inumin yun. Ang paalala mo, mag-ano ako mamaya. So, gagawin natin Wednesday. Punta muna sa dito sa Health Metrics, tapos diretso ng Sims.
Hindi mo pa nga
Tapos office.
napaparehistro tong sasakyan mo eh.
Hindi, iano ko nga